Work on the one program, I'll call him Mangoro Market Meri. Na emmi one program I play work in the Tubla province. One lo Milan Bay, na narapla lo Manus.
My aims for the women that I'm training are for them to feel confident in taking interviews and making short videos about what they're doing in their own provinces, so they can share the information and stories with other women in PNG.
Mi ama master bismillah in implant something inside lo this training. Na mi work mol pizza come up na work video long. Which good plaster besos mi go back lo Manus. Mi can go na kisimol footage blol Meri where mi pla one time work lo PDF, one activities inside lo Mangoro or anything where mi pla can okay one pla lik movie where mi pla can salim can lo nara pla Meri because long transport around in Manus no this la expensive. Inside lo this training too mi pla go lo hap lo side blong planim nu pla seed blong Mangoro. Mi yete mi linim ose emi helpful straight lo mi pla Meri sta lo place. So mi luke mo sa mi pla ken plani Mangoro walking nursery blem and then mi pla ken tu walking direct planting lo seed lo Mangoro na go straight lo where place where inoga Mangoro longem ma mi pla ken puti Mangoro longem. So emi can grow. Because lo Mangoro mi pla replanting lo place em grow em by kis pulling back all peas, all kuka, ikan back en lo Mangoro where em can sustain him life long.
Lo disla training mi ama mas nongo through long. Also how lo passing kuka, paste mi passe kuka nar plakain where mi time all now li die, all save die. Now mi kam linim also no how lo handle kuka lo disla kain way whereby kuka inon up die and by stop long pla time inap em ko come up lo place lo market.
Program lo base lo Manus, mi pla time lo bungi mol Meri lo Manus lo come up in slab. Be Environment Development Forum where I'm representative of all the women in the 12 villages of Manus. So
Mangoro Market Meri.